In a world full of noise and stress, mindfulness offers a calm escape. And the best part? You only need 10 minutes a day to begin feeling the difference. Focus on your breath. Begin by sitting comfortably and simply noticing your breath. Inhale slowly, exhale gently. When your mind wanders, bring it back to your breath. This trains your focus. Set a 10-minute timer. Give yourself permission to be still for just 10 minutes. Knowing there's a time limit makes it easier to stay consistent without feeling overwhelmed. Without judging, thoughts will come, let them. Just observe them, like passing clouds, without labeling them good or bad. This helps you detach from stressful thinking. Try a body scan. Gently bring awareness to your body from head to toe. Notice where there's tension and breathe into those areas. This deepens your connection to the present moment. Make it a habit. Do it first thing in the morning or right before bed. Mindfulness only takes a few minutes, but daily practice builds emotional strength, focus, and inner peace over time. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.